Jeremy here, Twin City Elite Real Estate Group. Want to talk a little bit about today winning offers in a multiple bid situation. And it's a tough market currently right now. If you're out and you're working with a buyer's agent and you're out trying to find a house and get one under contract. So there's a few different strategies that we have that we like to look at. And one is, well, if you have cash, cash is always king, as they say. And that can definitely be helpful. But a few different strategies that we have that are out there that I like to look at myself is looking at earnest money. One of the items, is to make our offer stand out a little bit more strong is to put down a larger earnest money deposit with the purchasing of the property. Kind of moving forward from there, you could also look at, whether or not you want to use like a non-refundable earnest money. A few different strategies is if you look at the house and you decide you really like it and the house looks good and everything looks all right with it, you could take a look at, inspection days. So typical time frame is 10 days. I have had clients that have looked at new homes that have gone ahead and waived the inspection contingency to go ahead and make the offer itself, and that's definitely been one that's been winning on offers. And then just performing a home inspection so they're aware of like what's going to occur and what's potential with the property itself. Financing is another one. Earnest money, we have that, and then moving forward is like your down payment. How much do you have for a down payment to put down on the property? Some agents want to look at the financing on the property itself and making sure that it's going to be successful and they're going to be able to get to closing. So having a strong loan officer on your side, we like to use Bob Haft with New American Funding. He's always great, helps us out, reaches out to our agents as well that we're making offers on to let them know that we have, good, strong, solid buyers that are out there. So he does his part in helping us secure. But I will tell you, my number one strategy that I find that works the best for myself when I'm out writing offers in multiple situations is if I can build rapport with that agent. If I can build rapport with that agent, speak with them, talk with them, and find out what their clients' needs are, I find myself to be the most successful at that route. And then from there, I just do some follow-up as well with that agent once the offer has been submitted and working way through it. And if I'm able to make myself stand out strong enough between all the other agents that wrote out there, at least I might get a phone call back into the negotiations where they know that we're looking and we're serious and we want to perform on this transaction. So for more tips and other items that we can help you out with, feel free to reach out. Thanks.